To allow our designers to actually take our devices and use them inside of any kind of verse device, we need to add them right here as editables inside of the verse code. This is very simple to do. We simply just need to type in @editable and then give our device a name. In this case, I'm going to just call it my trigger. Add in a space. Let's go ahead and add in a colon to make this easy to see what it is. And now I just need to name the actual device that we're going to be working with. In this case, it's a trigger device. After this, go ahead and add in an equals. Go ahead and then just copy this trigger device that you see right here. Then go ahead and paste it after the equals, and then add in a couple of curly brackets at the very end of it. Next, go ahead and save the code, and then over here inside of UEFN, simply just build the code by coming up here to verse, build the verse code, and you'll notice right here, we'll have a place where we can actually add that device. And a simple way to add this specific device to this specific field, go ahead and just use this little eyedropper, and then go ahead and move over that device, go ahead and click it, and you can now see that my trigger is actually this trigger right here.